Hello everyone, Qjmotor, a company based in China, is now creating new and updated models at a rapid pace in an effort to become more competitive globally against established competitors. Based on the latest type approval data from China, the current SRT 5550 motorbike will reportedly be replaced by a new series of adventure bikes called the SRT 600. The SRT 600 doesn't have the typical nose of bikes in this class like the SRT 700 and 550, two models with outstanding features and design. The engine, the SRT 600, is a 554cc water-cooled 8-valve unit with two overhead camshafts DOHC and a crank with an ignition interval of 270 deg. The engine is capable of producing up to 61 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 55 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. The power can be unlocked if the owner takes the A-test, but in Europe, it will likely produce 48 horsepower to meet two licensing requirements. The large fuel capacity of 20.5 liters is derived from the Harley-Davidson Pan America tank design, which has a capacity of 21.2 liters. This is a significant advantage for the touring motorcycle line, as it is ready for adventure and weighs just under 200 kilograms, 198 lb, with a full tank. Inside the suspension, we find an inverted Marzocchi telescopic fork and a centrally located shock absorber manufactured by the same Italian company. However, the configuration and routing details are still unclear. The original tires from Maxis are size 110/80 and 150/70 respectively, with an on-off profile. The cast aluminum rims are 19 inches in diameter at the front and 17 inches at the rear. Additionally, the SRT 600 has radially positioned 4-piston Brembo calipers at the front that house two 320 mm discs and 2 discs, 260 mm disc rear piston caliper, and of course ABS unit. SRT 600 is equipped with traction control and a 7-inch color TFT display that has tire pressure indication, navigation, and connections. Surprisingly, standard equipment includes extra LED headlamps at the front mounted on the front of the motorcycle and on either side of the center headlamp, heated grips and center seat, as well as an engine protection apron. Although it has been published outside Europe, we still don't know if and when it will be accessible here. If that happens, the cost will most likely reach €6,695.